beautiful morning. Good morning, Cabo. So we have like 2 chairs here and also 2 long chairs over there. And see how beautiful it is. Those are fishing boats. And they are getting the pool ready. And in the bar. And the pool is over there. That's for today.
Hi guys, what did you guys get?
I'm having green and red chilaquiles and then this one. Same thing.
How about you? Your favorite?
I'm having deep fried beans and a donut.
Okay. And right now I'm having seafood soup, Bloody Maria, and hot chocolate. Enjoy guys.
Come here, Josh. Up here. Back here at the market. With the yummy chocolates. Wala. Gusto mo. Yummy chocolate. Look at those very yummy gelato. I'll probably get that in this one. Strawberry and chocolate for daddy. Nice. Chocolate. Double chocolate. Chocolate. 2 scoops of chocolate. Here is the market at Kibera. And that is smart. Just kidding.
Sabi ko, these 2 building, anong number kaya yun?
Yes, ceviche, Cameron, Coachelles. Gachos is having chicken again. Yum yum. Gracias, gracias, Alvaro. Mango. Are you having a relaxing time? Okay.
It's our room up there.
Such a beautiful waterfall. There's a cruise ship Passing by.
Mommy, the garden is here.
Yeah. Oh yeah. They are fixing the garden. Cruise ship, look. There's a cruise ship.
That looks like the one we saw in
Passing by.
Sabras.
Is it?
Not the Mickey Mouse one.
Not the Mickey Mouse. Oh yeah. Not the Disney cruise. We're taking a nap here.
Yeah.
I'm going to the restaurant over there, but going to the chapel first.
Hola.
Hello.
What are you having? The best.
Gracias. Gracias.
Oh, beautiful. What do you say?
Thank you.
Salud.
Gracias. Salud.
This
Gracias.
is my mango mojito. Husband is
And
having. Oh, no, sorry. This is pineapple mojito. Husband is having mango mojito. And Josh is having. What are you having?
Mango smoothie.
Mango smoothie.
yum yum.
Hi Josh, how are you?
I'm good.
Are you having a wonderful time?
Yes.
My pineapple mojito.
And what are you drinking, JD?
Got the pineapple, Daddy. What's pineapple?
I'm having mango smoothie.
And what am I drinking, mommy?
Mango mojito. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Okay. Dombao. Okay. Nasi. Sí, para mí. Gracias. Y a los.
Gracias.
Soy sauce and sambal.
The favorite spicy eggplant. Banana roll. This is banana something.
Spring roll.
Banana spring roll, sort of. And preserved strawberry.
Yummy.
Thank you, Daddy.
Yummy
Bye,
to the
Daddy.
tummy. No, I don't do desserts. Thank
Do
you.
sometimes.
Sometimes.
The food was yummy. Another beautiful day here in Cabo. I woke up a little bit late. I'll be here. We're going to have breakfast there at Lanao. Another beautiful, beautiful day. And I'm going to save our spot at the pool. Actually, we can from here. Gracias, Luis. Here are the yummy food stuff. And we have a crazy barbecue. Oh, let's see. The omelette station. For the kids, just used to get this like cereal. And then the drinks over there. And then we have the sausage, fried beef, potatoes, lots of dried eggs, and cheese. I love this one. Fish therapy. And then pork rinds. There are like fruits here. Papaya, melon, watermelon, naranja, pineapple. A lot of fruits. And then the toppings here. So they have the salad, sausage, and then here maple syrup, and then this sweet stuff here, and just full of donuts. They like this donut, and then all the breads there, and more different kinds of bread over there too. And over there. And then here they have this different kinds of salsa. I'm at the crepe station right now. I'm having crepe with banana. What else do they have? This banana from there. Chocolate, yeah. Donuts. And then
fried beans and watermelon.
Fried beans and watermelon. We're going to take a video of this, but they have paella too. Irish paella. And the soups are here. Menudo and white menudo. Are you ready to swim?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Hi.
I forgot our floater. Oh, my floater.
Get in the hot tub, then get in the pool.
Ram punch. This is tequila sunrise ram punch. The fish ceviche. Then chicken.
With the concoction.
Yeah.
Along your surface combination, just never static. I wanna touch your body so fucking electric. I know you're scared of me, you're excited.
I'm not sure what they're playing there. My husband is there, but I'm not sure what they're playing. Probably poker. Oh yeah, poker I think. This is the lobby. This is the new property, Mavilla at Kibera.
Yeah.
I don't like the shape of it.
Like more of like a single detached.
This is us.
The
The blue car.
That has been very nice.
That means we have to drive a full day from home to here.
Okay, let's go, Josh. Let's go. We have here for breakfast. Colorful. Thank you, Alejandro.
Alright, enjoy.
And here's my breakfast today. Green chilaquiles, red chilaquiles, plantain. Yes,
I know,
they have
it's
plantain for the first time.
Oh, we forgot to tell
And
mommy
then
they have
eggs.
plátano.
Easy,
Huh?
over easy eggs.
Plantain.
Yes. Here's what I got for dessert. This is flan, the corn cake, and then the tres leches.
Hi.
We are going to see our friends today. We're going to downtown. We are going to El Torogero. Husband got the crabs too, and then the grilled seafood. And then this one is almost the same as mine. It's different. Tuna mamas. I got tuna shrimp. And it's tuna shrimp. But no soy sauce. Yours seems
Soy sauce and lime.
okay, mine is just lime and then cocktail sauce. How are you there? How are you? Hi!
I found a warm spot. It's right where my leg is.
Oh.
Papi, el regalo.